Looking to land your dream job? Then your CV needs to stand out, not just with what's on it, but how it looks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a professional, eye-catching CV in Canva, step by step, even if you've never designed anything before. First, open canva.com and log in to your account. In the search bar at the top, type CV templates or resumes. You'll instantly see hundreds of professionally designed templates to choose from. Clean, modern, creative, and corporate styles for every type of profession. Take a moment to browse through and pick a design that matches your personality and the job you're applying for. For example, if you're applying for a corporate role, go for something minimal and elegant. For a creative field, pick something with a bit of color and flair. Once you've chosen a template, click on it to open the Canva editor. Now, this is where the fun begins. Replace the placeholder text with your name, contact info, professional summary, skills, work experience, and education. You can also rearrange sections, change fonts, or update colors to match your personal brand. Don't forget, Canva lets you add icons, lines, and even subtle graphics to make your CV visually appealing while keeping it professional. The goal is to make it easy to read and memorable at a glance. When you're happy with your design, click Share or Download at the top right corner. Choose PDF print for the best quality, perfect for emailing or printing. And that's it. You've just created a polished, professional CV that'll help you make a great first impression. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out my other Canva tutorials to keep leveling up your design skills. Thanks for watching.